This weekend, Tyler and I are headed out to an incredible secluded cabin that overlooks Resurrection Bay. One of the prettiest areas in all of Alaska, at least in my opinion. The adventure actually begins right now because we're boarding our water taxi to head out to the cabin, a place that's only accessible by boat or by helicopter. We've already seen a ton of otters, so we are pretty excited for this water taxi.
We're just waiting for it. Looks like he's just coming.
Thank you.
Thank you. There was a seal that poked his head right there.
Was it?
Yeah.
The view from our cabin is absolutely unbelievable.
Very good view. We have to make sure I don't fall off.
And we'll give you guys a tour later, but absolutely mind-blowing that the sea lions we were watching are just down there. We've got this incredible view of Resurrection Bay. There's been a few seals and otters hanging out around here, so naturally I made Tyler come back down to kind of hang out and see if we can see them up close. Very cute and very exciting. Hey Tyler.
What?
What time is it?
Like 8 o'clock. And I was telling Deborah we need to go eat. She didn't want to go eat. I had to pull her off the beach.
While Tyler's cooking, I thought I would give you guys a quick little tour of the property. We're gonna try it again in 30 seconds or less, and I think I can do it this time. These are the stairs leading up to our incredible property, the ledge. That is the one we're staying in this weekend. Yes, Tyler did have to carry all our stuff up these stairs. First up is the outhouse. Right across this walkway is the ledge. I'm gonna show you the inside first. This is our cute cabin for the weekend. Adorable miniature fireplace. We've got a nice big kitchen. The bedroom is up top, accessible by this ladder. And the absolute best part, this is our view. Tyler, what's for dinner?
Reindeer sausages with asparagus.
Ooh, fancy.
Yeah. But first we gotta walk up the stairs. So to power the cabin, there is a generator, so we just have to start it. And you just put it on and then pull the lever and it should start right up.
Mm. Oh man, that's good. Mm. Good morning. We are having a pretty slow, easy morning here.
Deborah woke me up pretty early. I don't know if it's slow.
The only thing is, it gets bright so early here in Alaska, and there's no curtains here, which is wonderful because of the view. We already saw an otter, by the way. Gonna have some nice coffee, tea. Tyler brought some banana and blueberry pancakes to have this morning.
We're gonna get ready to go kayaking. Like my skirt?
I do, it's beautiful. Aw, you're so cute.
Ready.
By the way, the owner, Kaylin, super nice. She literally carried the whole kayak out here for us, showed us how to use everything, got all our gear for us. Pretty amazing. Thank you. There's actually like a legit sea lion out there looking at us right now. I'm 90% sure that he's gonna come try to tip us.
I am not scared.
I'm scared. Sea lion has not made contact yet.
Oh my god.
They're going nuts.
Should we go in there?
No, we'll get pooped on.
There's a sea lion that's right next to our kayak.
I think it's right there. You see the waves?
Uh-huh.
Scary. See? So while Tyler struggles to get his skirt back on, this entire experience is just blowing my mind right now. The mountain views, that mountain is insane, are just so beautiful. There's 2 bald eagles just sitting up there. There's been like a couple seals just hanging out, coming up to us. He's like, oh, what are these things? Uh-huh. There's one staring at me right now. He's right there. I don't know if you can see him. And it's just been insane. Tyler keeps saying it started to rain. So he's like, oh, we should go back. We should go back. I'm like, no, 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. The seals are oh, if you come to Granite Point, make sure to kayak out to Humpy Cove because this is incredible.
Are those all focused?
Where? We have to go see them, right?
Oh my.
That's insane.
It is all focused.
Don't hit it though, Tyler. We're going so fast.
We're good. That was like 100 starfish.
Yeah, that was nuts. Look at all the minnows.
That's what these birds are eating.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's so many. Wow. Wow. That was nuts.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like that.
Oh my gosh. Did you get that? Bonked it on the head.
That was insane. Is that our cove right there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not too far.
I'm waiting for some sort of whale to come in.
I know. That was just crazy.
I can't believe he bombed things.
Yeah, maybe it's good we came back. It's kind of starting to really rain now.
Yeah, it is. Alright, so I think there might be a whale. Look towards that boat.
Okay.
And it keeps popping up.
Yeah, I see that.
What?
Where did they go? Oh, there it was.
Are you sure those aren't orcas?
I don't know.
Or dolly porpoises?
They might be dolly porpoise.
That's amazing.
That's insane. We just keep our eyes out for them. And hopefully they come closer. Oh, they're right there. Did you see it? The thing's got hands down the coolest kayaking experience ever.
Definitely.
I'm in awe. I'm just in shock right now. So cool. So Tyler has decided to head out on the Alpine Trail, which is here on site. I've decided to stay in, enjoy the incredible views, get some editing done because we're actually flying out to Korea later this week.
Bye, babe.
Bye. Don't get eaten by a bear.
I won't.
You have bear spray?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
So Deborah stayed back at camp. I am gonna go hike the Alpine Trail and see where it leads. I don't know, but the owner did say there's a lot of bears, so I have bear spray and I'll be bear aware, but we'll see if maybe we can see one from a distance away. So far, the trail's straight uphill, so I'm just gonna take it slow and we'll see if it gets any better. Just past the last cabin on the property, so now I'm officially on the Alpine Trail. So it is pretty woody, so I have to make sure I keep an eye out for bears. Got to like a flat spot. There's still snow here, which is crazy, but you guys got to see what I found in the snow. It is the biggest bear track I've ever seen. So I'm a little scared. I might turn around so we'll kind of see. I'm gonna go just a little farther and see kind of how it looks. So I went up the trail a little more and I'm not seeing any more signs of bear, which is good, but I'm keeping my eyes peeled because that was a little scary. But look at this view I came across. So the trail is about 1.5 to 2 feet of snow on it. So that is it for me. I am not trudging through snow. So I'm gonna turn back. It's gonna be super steep on the way back down. So I'm gonna put the camera in the bag, but I'll pull it out if I see any cool animals or anything.
How was your hike?
It was good, very hard, but I made it back. I didn't get eaten by a bear.
Well, that's good. We didn't have too much else to do today, so we decided to come enjoy the beach for a few more hours.
Look at, I found a dead starfish.
I found.
What? What?
Look at the one I found.
Oh, that's cooler than... What?
It looks like a marble.
No way.
Yeah.
That's
Where's your
awesome.
starfish? Oh.
You're dead.
Oh, yeah.
Deborah, you should go hide.
There's a cave behind you.
I know. That's what I'm saying. You should go hide.
Shocked you haven't skipped any rocks yet.
They haven't been calling my name. Bowling.
Guess who decided to have a fire?
Me.
It's been raining on and off all day, so if he gets this started, I will actually be impressed.
A little damp out.
You did it!
I'm pretty impressed I got it going.
Good job, babe. Tyler has got the outdoor fireplace going for us. We've got an incredible view all to ourselves, and we're gonna have some nice pasta for dinner tonight and enjoy what is unfortunately our very last night here at Granite Point. I really wanted to see a whale.
I did too.
There's an otter over there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Unfortunately, it's turned into a bit of a rainy morning here at Granite Point. But Tyler's made us some tea, and he's making breakfast right now.
Pancakes and bacon again.
Ooh. But yeah, it's our last morning here. We're just enjoying the views once again and waiting for our water taxi to come pick us up later. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more incredible places to stay in Alaska or amazing adventures to do, then make sure to subscribe and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!